Oh shit. Good morning everybody. So, me and Quiva are going climbing Coumshingaun today. We said we'd bring you with us for the spin once again because we had such good fun up Carntool. We're going to try it again, round 2 on Coumshingaun. I think it's only about an 8-kilometre loop, but it is a bit of fun and there's a little bit of rock climbing involved as well, so we have a fun day ahead of us. Breakfast at coffees
Secured.
We're going to start the drive. It's an hour and 20 minutes to get there, so it's going to be about just after 1 o'clock when we start, but we'll be down well before it's dark, and if not, I have a head torch with me anyway, a very good head torch, so we'll be fine. So we'll report back to you when we're in the Coumshingaun car park. Do you want to smack the camera?
I can feel the tide changing, and if I don't make it, I'll be caught between space and time. And if I went to hell, I stop breathing in the night. And if I don't make it, I'll be caught between space and time.
Right, so we're here. And never in my entire life, as long as I have been hiking in Ireland, have I seen this amount of traffic. There's cars parked the whole way down that road. You go down around the bend, there's more cars. Like, they're just parking everywhere. That whole secondary car park is full the whole way back. The primary one is over full. Managed to slaughter in somewhere anyway, but it is fucking rammed. Why do people get mad into it for like a day or two of the year? And then the rest of the year then it's just lads like me, like fucking lunatics on the side of the hill by ourselves. Look. Anyway, we'll get the stuff ready to go. We'll start our trek, be about 2.5 hours. I think it's only about an 8k loop, but we'll make a bit of fun out of it all the same. Let's go. What the fuck? I had to go inside the car. And pop this open to... The mechanism was broke. Right.
Oh, what she was looking at.
Hello.
Oh, that was actually so funny.
Come on, let's go. Kitted out to the nines here. Yo, family. We're just coming through the forest now anyway. Up onto the trail. Savage day here for it. And the trail is absolutely packed. Yes, inside the gorse bushes. We fucking love it. Up left. 15 minutes in, first big climb done. Now we just have to go up the kind of like edge up along the hill. There's a load of walkers out here today. They're all just going to the lake and back. Oh my god, snake, look, a snake.
Fucking I'm just like, what? There's the snake, lads.
There's a snake that we even thought was going to bite the whole of her. Well, there goes my fucking hat. Just as I was talking shit about the wind, it takes me hat away. Oh, yeah, let's go. Back up again now.
It's windy. I'm cold.
You're doing brilliant though.
What?
Pretty cool. You were showing me. And we go again. Come on.
They actually spoke to you a lot. I could have fell asleep in the car. Imagine if I did. What would you have done?
I told you to go sleep, sure, you were right. Garden?
Mm-hmm.
Hands-free POV.
Nope. A rock climb?
Yep.
Fucking suicide climb.
Up along the ledge. There we go, look at that, there's a cliff. Woo hoo hoo hoo. Like that. You ready? Come on, you take the lead here behind you. You've gone too far, look, come back. There you go. What side of that? I gave you the tick gloves.
What?
I gave you the tick gloves. Well, no, stay moving, sort of. The slower you go, the colder you'll be.
Wait, what will it do? Where are we going?
Add 2 and 2 together now. We're going up to the top, and then it's just flat the whole way around.
Yeah, but where's the top?
The top is probably up. That would make a lot of sense, wouldn't it?
Stop with the smart answers, like.
Stupid questions. Ask stupid questions, get stupid answers.
Oh.
Go on, stay climbing, please. I don't see having nobody like you.
Weird. All I wanted was a direction.
Okay, no, we're not going to go that way.
What way are we going to go? That's why I'm asking you a direction. And you said,
Do you know what? We'll go this way.
if I die, it's your
If
fault.
I die, you know.
No, you're accepting.
Go around this ledge and go up.
Yo,
I have you, you're not falling.
this way and up.
Yep.
You want me to go up now?
Up, please.
Up, please. You're just going to have to.
I told you to go up back here and you went down. Well done. And up again. I'm standing right here till you're up.
Yeah, but where am I going to put my foot? Well,
You're not hearing me.
saying up.
You just have to literally climb. Find a way. I'm here, you're not going to fall. That's the shot. Look at that! That's how you climb a mountain. Now hold on steady there, please. Don't go any further. Thank you.
My hands are really numb.
Yeah, I believe it. It's pretty cold up here. Oh, yeah. There we go. Now, that's the fucking cliff we just climbed. For anyone who wants to know. Look at that. Well done, proud of you. That's how it's done.
I don't think they can see me. Hi.
Probably lopsided. I haven't mounted onto my hat, so. Ooh.
Oh my god, it's fucking freezing!
Yeah, so keep moving, please. Wrong way. And there we fucking have it, babe. That's how it's done. That's how you do the difficult.
My hands are
That's how you make Coumshingaun difficult and completed with 100% efficiency.
frostbite.
Yeah, no, we're gonna. Anyway, I told you, don't care how you get up. Just get up on it. And up. Now we're gonna have to. This is what you call a fucking adventure, huh? I just got fucking busted. She didn't even notice. We have made it like 3/4 of the way around the horseshoe. We're now on the descent. Do you feel good?
Yeah. It's a bit cold.
Very cold.
But
It was very cold at the top. We had to go a little bit quicker. Well, I had to try and get her to go a little bit quicker.
I ran.
But we're on the descent now. Ooh! Hold on, the clouds just opened up. Pretty. The clouds have really opened up. That's class. What a day.
Oh, fuck!
What?
What's the saying? That is dead.
We're coming up on the lake. Time to go for a swim. Coming in for a swim?
No way.
Why?
Too cold.
Too cold. Yep. Can't fucking wait to get in. Fresh out. Look at that. Lovely swim done inside. Some view. Your man's over there swimming, look. I mean fishing. And yeah, back down to the car.
Woohoo! Oh.
To get boogers on you.
Give me a second.
We're literally like halfway back. I'm after realising that I left my phone at where I went swimming, so I'm gonna have to run back.
Wait.
Fuck's sake.
It's not even ringing on your watch.
Hello?
You are taking the piss, like.
It was in my jacket pocket. I got it. No, I fucking was about to freak out. I genuinely thought it was gone.
I'm getting a bar.
Wow, sorry.
Trying to knock me down.
Nearly back down onto the starting trail to bring us to the car park.
Don't fall over.
A good day out we've had, do you reckon?
Yeah.
Strong day out.
Well,
Sun's just about to go down. It's just
cold day out. I actually genuinely thought I got frostbite on my hands, but I didn't.
You wouldn't be long getting frostbite. But the sun's just going in down behind the clouds there now, so we timed it perfectly. Fuck off. Fucking gorse all over my hand. But yeah, it was good now, in fairness. I really enjoyed it. Swim was absolutely unreal. Quiva wouldn't know about. Too scared to get into the water.
Too scared?
Yeah.
Too cold?
Too scared.
Too cold?
Too scared. Maybe one day we'll convince her to get in. Sometime in the future. No.
Yeah, about that.
Yeah. And we're back.
Knees feel like a 50-year-old woman's knees.
Tired now, I won't lie. Defeated. Home. My little Leonidas bite. Home. We're back down. Happy out. Tired legs. Get changed now and head home. Right lads, we've just made it back home. It's fucking... What time is it?
20 to 7. 20 to 8.
Right lads, we've just made it back home. Right lads, we've just made it back home. It is 7:45 at night. We're actually decided we're going to go to the cinemas and we're going to watch the new Mufasa. So, yeah, today was a good old day now, in fairness. We enjoyed it. Another adventure on the list. Plenty more to come now, so I'm looking forward to it. But anyway, I want to just say thanks a million for watching and we'll see you in the next one.